Using the animation panel, AYMultiCharacter version 2.0 has a very robust animation panel, and to use it you want to quickly go to animation, and here you have the option to switch to post mode if you are not already in post mode. So quickly I want to go to the animation tab, and as you can clearly see, I'm currently in object mode. So I can switch to post mode by just clicking on that, and as soon as I did that, you can see I'm now in post mode. Now in this mode I can easily animate using my control curves, animate the character easily. Let's go back to the AY options. Now I cannot click on this because in Blender sometimes you need to define the relationship between the object mode and the post mode. So if you are in object mode, it might be difficult to click on your character's rig if this had not been checked. So I just want to check on that now. Lock object mode. So I don't want to lock object mode. So I want to be able to switch between post mode and object mode. So I'm just going to uncheck that. Now I can click on my AY multi-character keyed control that has all the information about AY multi-character. So just go to the tab for the kid, and I'm going to the animation tab. I just switched from post mode. I switched from object mode to post mode using this button. Now the next thing I want to show you is the show animation rig. Initially this was unchecked, so when it's unchecked the rig will be hidden, as you can see. So let me hide all these momentarily. H to hide this as well, H to hide. All right, so my scene is clean. Now when you hit on the show animation rig, it shows the rig, and with this rig you can keep animating. Okay, now you can see it's easier for me to switch between the post mode and the object in the object mode. So you have the preserve volume. Preserve volume works when you have a fist for the character, and sometimes the mesh might look flattened. Okay, so when you preserve volume, it gives it a bit of beef, so it does not look like there's nothing going on in that angle. So you always want to have this on. Now the corrective smooth is an extra layer to the smoothness of your character. I love to have this turned off when I'm animating because it slows down your it slows you down because the scene starts to drag depending on the strength of your PC anyways. But for me, I always love to turn this off. So you have the option to either turn it on or turn it off. It makes your character mesh smoother. And the next one will be the action. We have about 7 preset animation here in AYMultiCharacter 2.0 complete kit. So the animations are the idle, and I'm going to go through each of them for you to see what they look like. As a matter of fact, I think this will be more interesting if I go to the layouts to showcase this. Now you can see you have that slight movement in the character's eyes, the body moving around. So this is just the idle. You can also check out the walk by just clicking on that. And I want to draw your attention to what the time range is also doing. The time range is changing based on the keyframe of the animation. So you have the run. So the run has 16, not 24 like the walk. You have expressive. So expressive comes with playful kind of animation for this character. So it all depends on what you want. You can pick a pose from this and use it in your animation, or you can use the whole action entirely for your shot. And we have another one here called playful. Yeah. We have shrug. And then we have show off. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the set keyframes option in a different video. So, but for this video, I just want to limit myself to how you can make use of these actions, and that we've done.